ekelechi m ike ọgbaju dọrọ ya na-ekwu ekwu nta afeka. Our people, ndị Igbo be anyị, they connive with the Fulani to perpetuate this criminality. They have no know because those who have been victims, those who have been kidnapped, they come out and they reveal what happened. And some of them the masked, only put mask. Yeah, our local people in that midst. Under the Fulani, they don't mask. They speak their language and you hear it. So my brothers, although you know that, go and tell your village. Any solution? Gab self-defense. You have a right to self-defense. We must rise to defend ourselves. Government has failed us. Government has failed us. I've moved several motions. I've moved a motion on insecurity in Usuland. The last time people were killed in Nimbo, I came there physically. I came to commiserate with the families. I got to the Senate. I moved the motion. It was approved. The Senate Committee on Legislative Compliance followed it up. The IG of Police has that resolution. The Chief of Army Staff has that resolution. The Director of DSS has that resolution. Nothing has been done. Many state governments are not waiting for federal government any longer. Federal government security system, the police, the DSS, the what do you call it, civil defense, because the so-called Fulani people and herdsmen or bandits, they are not spirits. We can't be complaining every day. They will come and kill our people. Haba. So, bikonu, on the bani, onye la roru, Jaguar, Umonanya, Jaguar, the village head, Jaguar Igwe, or whoever. Jaguar, the head of vigilante, only village with vigilante, and a church and a bani. Right from the time I was a kid, oh, we didn't change, now can bring bani mayas. Oh, when none no tobo, who am there? On a rueru. Some people know that today. Echile, no room. That's how security has been maintained in a bank. So why are we running away now? Only Echile government too. Because our own PDP government in Enugu State is not prepared to secure us. It is not just because Peter Mba is from Kanu. Buruburu, Bonye Sika, PDP government. He was there for 8 years. Did he secure us? No. So what are we talking about? The PDP government in Enugu State is not prepared to provide security for her citizens. The first essence of government in any society is security of rights, life, and property.